All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the Aaron Rodgers Authentic full-size chrome helmet. So we'll check the time on August 2nd at 6:44 or 6:45 p.m. Sorry, 6:45. We're gonna go over to. Oh, I gotta scoot this down. I'm gonna go over to the mini and type live, and we have August 2nd, 6:45 p.m. Scoot this back up. There's the list of our 20 entries in the mini. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Anthony and Jason. So Anthony will get the first 3 picks. Jason, you will get the remaining 2. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 2nd, 6:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.